Episode 2 of the Little Deuce Coupe story on Harlow's Backroads. Last time, a 15-year-old with $75 started building a legend. This time, what he put under the hood. Chili didn't keep the stock Ford Flathead in this car for long. If he wanted this coupe to actually run with the crowd he was chasing, the factory engine wasn't going to cut it, so he went shopping in a completely different brand's parts bin. He had a mechanic named Bill Wanderer pull the Ford engine entirely and drop in a 344 cubic inch Oldsmobile Rocket V8. This wasn't a small upgrade. The Olds Rocket engine was one of the most respected performance V8s of the era. Swapping one into a 32 Ford body was exactly the kind of move that turned a stock old Ford into an actual street threat. He didn't stop at the engine. Chili rounded out the whole driveline with more Oldsmobile parts, a hydromatic transmission, and a chromed 1955 Oldsmobile rear end. Every piece of this car's mechanical guts was borrowed from a completely different vehicle. That's the hot rod mindset in one sentence. Take whatever works best, from wherever you can get it, and make it fit. So the engine's in, here's what it could actually do. Chili took this coupe drag racing, and it ran the quarter mile in 12.9 seconds at 112 miles an hour. For a car built by a teenager with a swept floors budget in a home garage, that's a genuinely serious number for that era. This is the part of hot rodding I actually love the most. It was never about brand loyalty. Nobody cared that this was a Ford body with an Oldsmobile heart. If a part worked better, it went in. That mix and match mentality is basically the whole foundation of custom car culture, and this coupe is a perfect example of it. Next episode, we're putting this 3-window body style up against its more common rival, the 5-window coupe, and looking at why the rarer version became the one every collector wants today. If you're enjoying this series, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Hit follow, drop a like, and let me know in the comments what you want to see me build next. That's the story. See you on the Backroads.